I have drawn a sketch on paper. I have taken Lord Jagannath as my Pattachitra painting theme. I have left some space for the border. Then in the middle I have drawn the main picture with two large eyes representing sun and moon. I will trace the design on an MDF sheet. Depiction of Lord Jagannath is one of the main themes of Pattachitra painting. Let's decide on a color scheme before starting to paint. Now as our basic color scheme is decided, we will start painting on an MDF board. Most of the Pattachitra Chitrakas are based from a village near Puri in Odisha. And Lord Jagannath is an incarnation of Lord Vishnu. As I have not applied any base coat on MDF, I will be using medium to dilute my colors so that vibrancy of color is not lost. Pattachitra paintings are known for its detailing. We will add details slowly and gradually. If you find it difficult to make outlines with brush, you can use waterproof fine liner pen also. Borders are an essential part of Pattachitra painting. We have a full video on borders. I will share the link in description box. And our Pattachitra painting is ready. Finally, spray some varnish to make it waterproof. I hope you liked this video. Please do subscribe, share and comment. Thank you for watching.